Hello everyone, my name is Catherine and this is EleWebDev. EleWebDev is short for Elementor Website Development. This channel is dedicated to beginners and intermediates of the Elementor page builder for WordPress. Today's Build It, we're going to build a Coming Soon page, but there's some information about that Coming Soon page that's a little technical, but let's explain it. So what exactly is a maintenance mode or coming soon page doing? How does it work? What happens when you turn it on? Well, when you turn on the coming soon or maintenance mode, you have both of those settings in Elementor. It is basically letting your server broadcast a signal, which is a 503, service unavailable. And when Google comes along and indexes your site, it's going to get this sort of signal that is a 503, and it's going to say, oh, okay, you're busy right now. I will come back and index your site again. I'll come back and try again later. So that's exactly what happens when you turn on the maintenance mode or the coming soon page. They're kind of the same. They're both broadcasting a 503 service unavailable. So let's go build one. All right, so here I am at the back end of Elementor, and I am at Elementor Tools, and inside of Elementor Tools there is a Maintenance Mode tab. So I'm going to click on that, and here is the Maintenance Mode. And we have a choice between Coming Soon and Maintenance Mode. Now, we've talked about Maintenance Mode and Coming Soon. The Coming Soon returns a 200 code, which means, in effect, everything's okay with your site, and Google will index it anyway, including your Coming Soon page. So when your site goes live and it is completely finished, you need to re-index your site with Google in order to remove the Coming Soon page from your index with Google. And then there's the maintenance mode, which returns a 503, which means we have technical difficulties. Please don't index right now, but do come back later. So that's what Google's indexers will do. Who can access the site when maintenance mode is on? You can customize this. You can say only administrators, editors, or whoever you choose. I'm just going to leave it to logged in. And then when it comes to our template, we don't have a template, so we need to create one. So I'm going to click this link that says select one, or go ahead and create one. So we are going to create one, and I'm just going to call it Coming Soon. And I'm going to publish it over here on the other side. I'm going to hit publish. And then I'm going to edit with Elementor. And we'll take a look at this. And so your Coming Soon page, you don't want to have the header and footer involved. You just want a page with nothing on it except something that says Coming Soon. So I'm going to come down here to the settings, down here in the lower left corner, in the settings, and I'm going to click that. And for this page alone, I'm going to first hide the title, and then second, page layout. I don't want the header and footer, so I'm going to go to Elementor Canvas. And that's what Elementor Canvas does, is it removes the header and footer. So once we do that, the header is gone. I didn't have a footer on this particular site, so I'm just going to hit update. So now we can be as complex or as simple as we want to be. And I'm going to be very simple here, and I will let you have your own creative juices, go and build whatever you want. So what I'm going to do is I just created a container. If you're still in the sections and columns, that's okay. Create a section. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to edit the container. I'm just going to create a background color. Let's grab anything. We're just going to go to a purple color. That looks good to me. And I'm going to go back to layout, and I'm going to let this container fill 100% of the viewport height. And that's the wrong one. That's the width. We want height. And here it is. And I'm going to put 100 in there. So it fills 100% of the height of the page. And then just as simple as, you know, how to do what you want to do, I'm going to go back to the container. I'm going to edit the container because I want this text to be vertically and horizontally centered. So I'm going to go to the container and I'm going to say, I want you to the center and justified to the center. Great. And I'm going to change my text that says coming soon. And then I'm going to hit, let's see, if I hit enter, coming soon, check. Okay, that's what I thought was going to happen. We need to put a BR tag in there that breaks the line forcibly. Check back later. Okay. And I want to center that text, and I want the style color to the text color be white. So I'll just jack that to white, and let me go back to the title and the style and typography. We want, I'm just going to say 3 rim, and let's just get fancy with some line height and make it 2. All right. And that's about as simple as you can make a coming soon, check back later. So I've saved that, and I'm going to close this, and then I'm going to come back to the maintenance mode page, and I'm going to do a hard refresh. You've heard me once. I've said Command Shift R or Control Shift R if you're on Windows, and that refreshes the page. Check the site. So now we can choose our template, which is our coming soon. So I'm going to select coming soon. And now I'm going to set from the mode from disabled to coming soon. And then I'm going to save the changes. And this is what you get right here to let you know that you are in maintenance mode. Even though maintenance mode is not on, you have chosen a mode that is on. So that's why you get this red little block that alerts you that maintenance mode is on. It's in coming soon. So that's about as easy as it gets. So I hope this video has helped you create your own coming soon page.